Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Unravel fast wireless charging device from Ampere, and we're going to see what's inside and we're going to have a quick review on it. Now this is a fast charging with triple pad, so I'm just going to cut it open and see what is inside this box. So it comes with a instruction manual up here. So there is a instruction manual on how you can use it, and inside is a charging pad right here. So I'm just going to pull it out. So it's only a charging pad in here, nothing else. So you can see that in this box there is nothing else in this box here. So there's no wire or charging cables. However, it does come with a separate travel adapter, which you also get it. It is included when you are getting this pack here. This travel adapter is also included. It's just not in the same package. It is in two separate package. But yeah, that's it. That is inside here. You got the charging pad right here, and you can unfold it like so. So let's have a quick look. I'm just going to put it right here, and then we're going to have a quick look on this travel adapter box. And here is the box. So this is also a 60-watt travel adapter. It uses USB-C type. So you got the USB-C type, and it's also got the USB-A type as well. So you got two different type out here. And over here we can pull down the plug to plug it into the wall, and this is quite a large adapter as well. You can see on the size of my hand, that's quite big in comparison to the normal Apple charger. You can see this is a normal this is an old Apple charger. Now this is not just a fast wireless charging device, it is a fast charging device with 3 panels. It allows you to charge 3 electronic devices, 3 at the same time. So you can charge an iPhone here, you can charge an AirPods, you can charge an Apple Watch, and this device here designed specifically allow you to charge an iPhone as well as an Apple Watch. Some fast wireless charging does not support the charging of an Apple Watch, whereas this one here, you can charge your iPhone, you can charge your other phones such as Samsung phone, you can charge your Apple Watch as well. So from series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can charge all of your Apple Watches, and it is a perfect travel companion. I would say it is very convenient for you to bring it along with you when you are traveling. You can see how you can easily fold it up. It is nice and compact. It is not that big. You can see it's very small and easily foldable, so you can fold it up and put it into your suitcase or bag, and make it so easy when you're traveling. You just need to carry one of these and you can charge 3 devices at the same time. And not only that, but you can charge them, all of them, very fast as well. Not just charging, but charging all of them fast at the same time. So when go traveling, instead of having all the different chargers along with all the different cables hanging around, you can simply have a single charger, a single wireless charger with one adapter and one cable only. Now 2 of these pads have 10 watts each. So this one got 10 watt, this one got 10 watt, and this one here specifically built for the Apple Watch. So it's got a little bit of magnetic here. So when you put the Apple Watch on it, it will stick the Apple Watch down, and then it will start to charge the Apple Watch. So you can't actually charge your mobile phone on this one, but you can charge it on this one here and this pad over here. So 2 of the pads for the mobile device, and the other one is for the Apple Watch, and they all have 10 watts each on this one here. And they also come in different colors. You can choose red, yellow, green, and other colors as well. So it's really nice. Also there is a rubber ring over here, so that helps kind of like keeps the phone from sliding all over the place. So if you place it on here, it kind of sticks. So you can see I'm leaning down at an angle, so the phone doesn't really slide that much. So I mean, like, you would leave this one flat on the tables, and when you put a mobile phone on, it won't slide so much. So that's what this rubber does. It helps keep the phone into place. Now you can also fold this one like that. You can fold it like that, and you can also have it different like that as well. There is a magnet, so you can see there is a very powerful magnet. When you put it together, it kind of like snaps into place, and that allows you to charge your phone in kind of like different position. Now when folding up your charger, you can also pull out the latch. There is a latch right here, you can pull it out, and when you pull it out, you can also have your phone charging while resting on the charger, and then from here you can watch videos. So you can place it like this to watch videos, and this is what it looks like. And on the other side you can also do other things as well. Now the charger allows you to charge the phone with some of the very thick case. I have a case here which is very thick, as well as the Samsung case which is very thick, as you can see. And so here I'm just gonna place it on. You can see there's no problem with charging with a thick case on. And here is the thick case for the Samsung, so it's now charging as well with a thick case on. Now because this charger gives out 10 watts fast charging capability, so you can charge up your mobile device between 2.5 hours to 3 hours to complete a full charge. Depending on the size of the phone's battery, it may take a little bit less or a little bit more, but somewhere between 2.5 to 3 hours. Okay, so here I'm charging my Galaxy S9 Plus, and you can see it's a fast wireless charging. Approximately 50 minutes left. I'm also charging an iPhone 10 here, so it's charging at the moment. You can see it says charging, and also I'm charging an Apple Watch Series 3. This is Apple Watch Series 3. I have been placing it on here for around 4 minutes or 5 minutes. So I'm just going to take it out and put it back on so you can see it's charging. So it's a 64% charge now. Just then it's around 63%, so it's charging up 1% after a few minutes. Now on the charging part, there is also a small LED light to indicate that it is now contacting the charging unit and it's charging. Although it's not really useful because when you place the phone over the top, you can't actually see the light at all, but you can check your phone to see if it's charging. Where for the Apple Watch it's quite useful because the Apple Watch is quite small and the light is visible, so you can see if it's actually charging or not. Now overall, the material of the product seems to be quite premium. When you hold it, it's quite has a bit of weight onto it, and you can see the soft rubber quite soft, and everything is nice and tight. And you can, when you hold a product, you can feel it is made from premium material, and even the hinges are very secure. They're not like loose, but you know, you can turn it, but it's very secure. And even the fit, when you're feeling on the product, the touch and feel is nice, soft and smooth, and it's feel like it's a premium product. Also, even the charger, it's heavy, it's not light, so you feel there's a bit of quality built into the product. So everything's kind of like go in and out, nice and soft and easy. With this charger adapter, it is a 60 watt adapter, so you can use it to charge your laptop as well. So if you've got a MacBook, you can use it to charge your MacBook. If your MacBook uses a USB-C type charging cables, so if your MacBook is using this cable to charge the laptop, then you can also use this charger. It is powerful enough, so really you can use this one to charge your AirPod, your Apple Watch, your iPhone, and even your MacBook laptop as well. Okay, so there you have it. The Ampere Unravel fast wireless charging is perfect for your traveling need. So if you are travel and you are using your AirPods, your Apple Watch, and your iPhone, and if you also bring along a laptop, you can use just one charger, one single charger, and you can charge all of your electronic devices. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.